Hi friends, welcome to our learning time. Today we're going to learn numbers from 1 to 30 with toy cars. Are you ready? Let's start counting together. 1. One toy car. 2. Two toy cars. Beep beep. 3. Three toy cars. Let's go. 4. Four toy cars. Zoom zoom. 5. Five toy cars. 6. Six toy cars. Awesome. 7. Seven toy cars. 8. Eight toy cars. Wow. 9. Nine toy cars. 10. 10 toy cars. Yay! Let's keep going. 11. 11 toy cars. 12. 12 toy cars. 13. 13 toy cars. 14. 14 toy cars. 15. 15 toy cars. You're doing great. 16. 16 toy cars. 17. 17 toy cars. 18. 18 toy cars. 19. 19 toy cars. 20. 20 toy cars. Woohoo! Almost there. 21. 21 toy cars. 22. 22 toy cars. 23. 23 toy cars. 24. 24 toy cars. 25. 25 toy cars. 26. 26 toy cars. 27. 27 toy cars. 28. 28 toy cars. 29. 29 toy cars. 30. 30 toy cars. Hooray! Great job, friends! You counted all the way to 30. Give yourself a big cheer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more fun with numbers. Bye-bye.